We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can turn on or turn off the push mode for pan and tilt on this device. So if you're curious on what the push mode is, basically if I were to move the arm of my gimbal somewhere like that, as you can see, it will bounce back into its stabilized position. The position it's stabilized, the same goes for the tilt as well. As you can see, if I were to manually push it like that, it will get back. So if you want for your gimbal not to bounce back and follow your movements, so you can manually move it around if you need it for something, you gotta switch it on, then press the left side dial. Here, find advanced options. Among the advanced options, look for the push mode, and here you can enable and disable the push mode for both pan and tilt axis. Unfortunately, the rolling axis is unavailable, it seems. So let's enable both of them. And now if I were to manually adjust the motor position, it will stay the way I put it, as you can clearly see. Well, not always, but at least it somewhat follows me. Yeah, just needs for your input not to be brief, but to hold it for a second, and then it will stay in this position, because if you were to move it quickly, it seems that it's a fluke, it's not an actual input, and it will get the camera back to its last stable position. But now if I want to move it somewhere, I just need to do that, hold it for about a second, and it will stay that way. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.